You gotta hit it, I think. Oh shit!
Oh, that was a hard landing. My wheelie bar was straight up because I landed. Oh, my battery can disconnect it. What the fuck? Is that how it is? That's so annoying, dude. But the WL toys, man. Not let hold that shit back down. Pretty cool trying to downsize one of these. Put a gap.
Oh yeah.
That would be wild. My wheelie bar it did the thing. And luckily I have power. Oh, I cannot be on the side of the ramp.
Oh my god! That's clearing them, bro. What? You Oh! Oh my god!
That was a bug went in my ear. How'd you jump over me? I have no clue. Oh my god.
Oh my god! I thought I was dead.
Dude, it's so hard.
I think it's gonna be clearing it. It's gonna like clear that easily, you know?
Yeah, like that.
What was that? That was cool.
Dude, I need to give it more distance, to be honest. Okay, that's not really. It's like on this way.
Like this flat out. Whoa! Jesus.
Y'all want to be out here at night? I gotta set my light up.
Yeah.
I really don't want to break this thing.
I got a 2-buck hole.
You said you want to break it?